If you're a business owner, a software developer, or just someone who's interested in the possibilities of AI, this video is for you. Part 1. Understanding AI. Before we dive into how to make money with AI, let's first talk about what AI actually is. AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This can include things like recognizing speech, understanding natural language, and even making decisions. There are three main types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is the most common type of AI and is designed to perform specific tasks, such as facial recognition or language translation. General AI, on the other hand, is designed to be more flexible and capable of learning from different types of data. Super AI is the most advanced type of AI and is capable of performing tasks that are beyond human intelligence. Part 2. Identifying opportunities for AI. Now that we understand what AI is, let's talk about how to make money with AI. One of the first steps is to identify opportunities for AI in your industry. AI can be applied to almost any field, from healthcare to finance to marketing. For example, in healthcare, AI can be used to analyze medical images to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. In finance, AI can be used to detect fraud and make more accurate predictions about the stock market. And in marketing, AI can be used to analyze customer behavior and create personalized recommendations. The key is to identify areas where AI can improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance. Once you've identified these opportunities, you can start exploring ways to implement AI into your business or project. Part 3. Building AI applications. The next step is to start building AI applications. There are several tools and platforms available that can help you create AI applications without requiring a lot of coding knowledge. Some popular platforms include Google Cloud AI Platform, Amazon SageMaker, and Microsoft Azure AI. Alternatively, if you have coding experience, you can build your own AI applications using programming languages like Python or Java. There are also several open-source AI libraries available that can help you get started. When building AI applications, it's important to start small and focus on a specific task. This will help you learn and refine your skills before moving on to more complex applications. Part 4. Monetizing AI applications. Once you've built an AI application, the next step is to monetize it. There are several ways to make money with AI applications, including 1. Selling the application. You can sell your AI application to other businesses or organizations that could benefit from it. 2. Offering services. You can offer consulting or development services to help businesses implement AI solutions. 3. Licensing the technology. You can license your AI technology to other businesses for a fee. 4. Using the technology to improve your own business. You can use the AI technology to improve your own business processes and increase efficiency. 5. Creating a startup. You can create a startup based on your AI application and seek funding from investors. Part 5. Challenges and limitations of AI. While AI offers many opportunities for making money, it's important to be aware of the challenges and limitations of the technology. One major challenge is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to unfair. Part 6. Starting an AI business. If you're interested in starting an AI business, there are several things to consider. First, you'll need to decide what type of AI business you want to start. This could be a consulting firm that helps businesses implement AI solutions, a software development company that creates AI applications, or a startup that focuses on a specific industry. Once you've decided on the type of business you want to start, you'll need to develop a business plan. This should include your target market, your unique value proposition, your marketing strategy, and your financial projections.